Malungito ta, Mr. Talams. Happy Monday! Happy Monday, Marvic la adaro ko mlo subiral ko ka tunin al tutara familiar. Magsuba sa talgibel ko ram etalen maklataretal that's going around. Ya, buhay gelbe ko el familiar. Ya, the malding watalgibel time. Malmo alelak kala. Ya, odar sarngo, the malduswe del morarupak kal Dios. Yung malurang asulel, erti al klabo, kalbalwad, abalur belaw. Dira ka malurang asulel, arubak kal Dios, sisel mokte karingi, riralidan mo other belaw. Madamal di makasay, mang plool gira del kakatkak, yakasabaak, yakawbalti ka rin. Madalo ay se mal Omral masulang, el altuta, el mlosubi, el kukme, da me kapte era malidiuler ti al familiar. E mal me wanu el altuta ang arti ang principal, Lorenza Olgarira Maristela School, madire gal terul ang kadire gal alumna el principal, madire gal terul alumna era Maristela School, class of 1999, Miss Kiko Brel, woohoo! Miss Ripka Gintaro, yay! Class of 2000. Mel altuta ang malbato kasorin mo ay selgire la Maristela School. Mga malmasal mo sabi iwal mebang lera family RL altuta. Itong mga olgiyong sa principal, Lorenza Olgaril.
Malungit tutaw mansulang Senator Senior malungit tutan mo raklay maibadul mabilong maibiraklay kom tulula balu ay kal Vitalyan mavitalyak de aliw rablur belaw maki man barang asuliw ay kel lureriw kirer ara adar belaw aquí claro más me artear el altutal me veo el se como angi el monsieur al el belao en soda bulungi la belao kid de way que luego senator aquí con marmadum el altutal el modo el quiere la Maristela maktiregal malungil tutak malungtial teal ongil tutal mortirgel rokul adher belaw ato gobet set mangal kaskul belaw ato gobet sa mortirgal alumna la Maristela tirgel rokul la Maristela la kumgarger mager belaw maikrel belaw el amoniate el libro sitial el program dibo modengel wase Maristela malmol el malat karabalur belaw makamiyar alam na lang nung irabek sils aquí mermadum el di momelmol marawaisel de kilt makrisel nomrek el tial dir kam nomrek al boy el dul sadr tial 60th anniversary raskura Maristela.
Mr. Talam siya alolmol ma principal edictul wasay atara alumna Maristela School at nga ka president ra republic tami irmang South Junior madira ka logi tiya dungil to top president madira ka vice president Oilo arokul minister sa dira ka ngaria alumni akmadang aliaw mi isang about tara alumni mati maybe even baklay tamingil chilten madire kal dorang asuli arokun nga executive branch dira ka malungil total mora speaker Anastasio ma presidenta Paules ra Olvira Kalulaw marokul delegates mar senators madire kal mora tial judiciary at nga kal chief justice ngira kalsong marokuy el judges and justices dire kal alwaikel dire kal mokmuikel dilo nga principal mungil total marokul alumni mangkagid alal momelmol mersegid al girela alumni
mamal musulang senator yang katigol ngito kumpay mga olosil medebe bulat tabeliw ngadi ngamin mas kamam ako tara sa igal baby na atokol ki pa mo ay Israel alsil so mang way kik tilul was sa igal malmol martial 60th anniversary kid malore ng mga semonia time el amralme el bodo kasawes bodo dadage kukto olto sieragel el durul madasilu madakirel keltar el altaim kadamral dimra ngasule la adirak Catholic Mission ng Nosib el Maktab Itial School mong sera blur belaw ma public schools el olis akrar ngal gel belaw maktimong tial talgibal time ekor o aisel wasay amaristela ngul oroy ngarang maral men mutrel sils mang skula maristela lumura mga asmarera August 1957 edi mga asimir engali ako to school el mor ongelol mo school sel time kardir ka mo tobara ongelol mo school tirgel ko mora mission school mo ongewid ongeyal school a mission ko nga public school amora inter 7-8 dirga po high school aktis wakal 7-8-9 akor o mes el morsegi del time emergong etirgel tilob der ongetul school arsel time ati tilob de mo sensei tirge yamne sensei kal elementary school ongetul school kung rarong etul school el al time ektul wase mo sensei diakal sabir emadakt el adire kal diakal kiltmokla makadaguk ngal tangat mlo sabi edel tangarim lo sensei kada malamol ma school mlo o high school umalmol ma high school masera lamaitel asmarela school maristela school year 57-58 emlania enrollment emlania 185 students rakotol school mo ogelol mo school mong koramle klol enrollment ado mes rakotol school el mora ogelol mo school el al time maristela ngaria 222 students mle marala enrollment mo klo el alirem lo o 222 enrollment el al time melang malmol ma school segi del tirgel lekotol top da la school maristela 1958 edi di kudun tril ngartiar el ngaria apo na isimang ma pyong ka bilatemon ngilutang ma mariar tira kal potokor tira kukna amodibus la dalongoled di tirge gida dirge ke man malmol mal support la school
First graduating class ra ongelol school. Or 6th grade.
6th grade. Selbodo tobdor ongelol school kada mala a diploma mo ma diploma kidro ongelol school kuk mo malamol mara ongewid ongetira intermediate. Koram lektor to ya do la diploma kidro ongelol school. Man ngila program sel time. Emergong mang tirgel mlara maristela mlotob dara ongelol mo school tirgel da class 58 el malmol maraikir rakal molmutora 1965 tirgel mlolas del top dara ongelol mo school maristela ngariarwa Miriam chin ma tirgel bebiringi tirgel mlotob dara ongelol mo school emolo malmia micenti emerkong ya maristela mlartiariol maristela melukul morba brabol mereka atial SL building lun ngot mokornya le leader cellular father hor selalu albera maristela lolmon melmo tam amal mon bara ako to school mo ongeyal school yam le ko to da ongeyal school sel group para 90 class 1967 Sengaria wa Gloria Kikuo, Maria Coreting Iraigalao, arwa a Francisco Otiwi, pedasto etumay tirigay kuknong wa asmrela ako el todo ongel school el madiplomartir ongel school umalmol mara high school rami centi may krelbelaw le tirgamle oko amatetiu el tilob der segi del time 49
Okay, sige din yawa the kotal mo o graduate ra 8th grade. Na Maristela ra 1967 na kotal graduating class of 8th graders.
Waisi
Sige din mere lang al do top there 8th graders ra Maristela.
waisi
Okay, and so el ako as the celebration or elang in the 60th celebration of sel 60th year a Maristela. Ngani ako ra amle milgat mokal ko amle celebrate ra ringil ko ra tira kalulal da karangal kara school ra tegi del 60th year celebration.
umlaringi
Yeah.
umlaringi segi del kotal time mang lakat mo klumakada mlara school ar peklan mar alam nai maklakol sem lo bangkel self fundraising la September Labor Day
Labor Day.
makal yul da kyar segi ma tial ko celebration la 60th anniversary merkong ya kilutal me o ay salwasay ndim na hadibel segi del sil sebol mere segi del sil semel mol mol mer elang kada malasem el moroki daw lo bangalela el al school year ero kirte del 60th anniversary
Kiyo ko la tara alumna ya dire kal parentre lang uktap sa te alam mo kura mo ay sa isel segi di mle semle carnival type of fundraising am laring September last year 2017.
Malungit tuta Senator Senior malungit total mora Rebecca Ad alumna ra Maristela maklasa 99. Ang waise nga ka alam mo na Maristela el alta mak parent ang nga lagi kal redil el 5th grade mga lagi kal sa al 2nd grade masera serakto da school en gora kora ulbes el wasen gira del give back until yang lagi kam na school Sel pa school ay kim no plolo nga sera school ay kay dal gora fundraising ng activities ringi yawan ng tagi dal mle wayal 60th anniversary fundraising ara school mle carnival mle ng tagi dal Labor Day weekend ra 2017 malmle successful ay each class mlaring ya budal gora carnival budal blel longra ringi mlaring yang likirangal our parents adire kamle donate termo ultra barbecue plates because ng 60th anniversary kada ni askar alumni el donate $60 so ang malme successful the kids had a lot of fun and dire kalmal koram long ilan udal mester ar bebira alumni makatata da stream network mar dire kal korawal alumni ra misentin dinim lang nga Maristela dire kal el warap na mo part tra family tamlay matol nga sew ngil titirang alginan may mang again ang malmle ngil al successful event I believe we raised over 30,000 ya school malmol malkot tulos pe anya surgi mang taygi daludo del mas edel udelia mal patogal ngil suira school
So lang ko. Dari nga sula lang kali Mr. Salvador Talams mapalaway radio. Malmle live segi del sils from Mission Field segi del Quran del ngarior tale ay dirong ula Jesus church mang malmal ne successful sel event. Elang era ba da kora sa te ala principal el kuk mo kora smada gegi del while silis bludo dulwa se mang mlotaw tra kora ngaral lurere la school eda eska ripka gintaro ang kadiri kalko ka alumna class of 2000 ersel program lo alkora malat ka matmok karingi segi dial wayal bol 60th anniversary kala tiang awal kora mo labangalel tiagi dial celebration or tial 60th year mang adri release el carnival elang in the school year Kada ko more may isel.
Malungil Tutao, thank you for having us here. So we will end the 60th year of Maristela with a gala dinner on May 12th. That should be a Saturday, right before Mother's Day. This dinner is basically to gather all the alumni, all of us, to come together in one room, celebrate our school, meet up again. It's almost like a reunion type, as well as have some wonderful dinner, entertainment, and to raise funds to contribute back to our school and what it has done. But I believe the highlight of the night will be to the first ever induction of distinguished alumni to the Wall of Fame of Maristella. This is to honor certain distinguished alumni who have contributed a lot to our school, not just to our school, but to Belao, our communities, our nation.
Kamal masole miskin taro akmla ngani ate elegal mo mesa segid yel room Mr. Talam solo ringi al mo Hall of Fame ra Maristela. I think mralungil idea da malorang asulela blandina yang ilmaw. Maleng maral ko ra olgi sa yel rungo da magel mauldo del girel ti al school mang sel obong sa yel del morning an entire room dedicated al mora tirgagi del distinguished alumni ngayel lolo ya miskin tarote ya first time al boda to induct al ubeda boda recognize tirgel babulkot al distinguished alumni ra Maristela. Malmasaw la Miss Preller sel al tigingel ko raman lo rirti anong kolwase siya nga skura Maristela de gadol ko ramal aswalwa siya school uspe ang asew di sel ko plabem parent mo bangal gebel mo nge ko ram am solo sing malalgiria dal support tra school ese aklisi ela school ang ara school me mo kloe mo me ele ang algema o mo titril mo ra school ang algema mo klo o me ele o titril mo school man si edal malmol maldo madam a celebrated tiyan mo mga kolomarak. Principal maybe you can or I say Michael Mil other self fundraising ra carnival ra sel Labor Day weekend lo wangra.
Malmasaw le senator direct malmasaw la triggerogum le part tiya del fundraising Michael contribution ra other rogui ma donations sel babiel tilov del moral beklada maneb la tak la igel lontila igel wasa school muspe au do del gire la ngara kida medengel wasa qutl ngara udas wa sensia qutl mering lorior tamral mering lorior full time teachers apna mesa ready ra sense ma rabepira school yar sense ra Maristela sense counselors advisors parents akora amne gotuldas we la school se dom da sor sense mang malclora ke ludo da amlom da sor sense mangari amlam mamelgat mokla ar sense akim blam katmok la do tamla ma ko talgibal angari la mornya angari tir direct longosutrir man madanya expense la balum talgibal mlor baba do dir ar sense aki le ada do mama redra school ma board la school أولمس إنديرك الواسقدوك الموت الملمول ملومس مالبول ونيل بسول الموت المول ياسسي قدم ثاني الواسع كان تيال مارستيلا كان ميشن سكولز هذه إذا مستري اس سوشيال سيكوريتي ذي قتيال قراوا بنسيون مسمن ترى قراها مذيع لوداس الواسع مغرا سكول mission school bolongot mukar segi dal tarawdas pension plan mang mo sabira adal bol mereka lawler ngari kay dal kuk mol ngasora to ko adal nga clear mang segi damlam kat mok lam emergonya ongerung at ko ra books Books mer parents man madangel waseng wara books magigukti mo do okle misakel waseng ngarangal sangasel ngarakel kukna mo kinedam te magimrurungi akidi litiam no brekara kedir kamalmol mulmurun mangaria amrail el may maral mil books omtablo wasi el almaral mil sisabela school enrollmental at gibel moklo mang agidi kalomdoy sa role la tokora instructional materials agidi merenga sule la government emlo sabel lo dar sa asiseludo geludo mlaraudas el plan kibo mospe audo del girel sel kinder building el amars emlo sabel la government mas kama maudo mang umbokat makiler el alsamer mut adwa mang seguida ulmunguk tigiagi mola satyal ay gal silis para fundraising and direkal mla tarak daswa instructional materials ya government direkal mo sabel lodersia although mamla mo sabel equipment takimla ara equipment tel la classrooms mang ay gida ngarin katmagil dirgap to kan mutul katmagil mang malak mal di merenga sauli kel mlomerekal fundraising amal ngil suya school raklo sel gibl ol kim kargi kenya se kada arang-arang lom arang-arang lingari sel mokl mede el gidi dar sensei ngani trata mul ngadi la maristela mod degal ta isu che ore kada o siga do deleng ala ke tmok mla baun sa chikra maristela
I see.
Mang seguida aquí blom gargi kring lo say akoten matmukla do salary sensei e gadku umre ay kel bebil ya tara man le udas versel badrea directora escola malgori awasay kadorial kirel tiang men de medro ngas atuition tom dasura albura brul diregal dongas atuition mo meringa dar ada optotrengal gimera school
Mal misal kan sel consideration ng Milgirela Sensei akman ngel wase over the years ang anya tigil bebira Sensei guk mlora public schools we know they have a better pay better benefits malora nga sulit tigil Sensei malmol ngara mission schools I think Miss Prelal ako nga niya kuksuan mo kung Milgirela Sensei.
Ngay say since a principal ako ramle touchera sensei ang maldiswa kal dire kal ngutel te ale mo boda latkia mle sensei Mr. Ramsey ngiraungil nga dire kal mle sensei nga seragi mga maristela ang mle sensei ra PE believe it or not ma spelling dire kal mle homeroom ra kama seragi 8th grade I believe eding lo dakalol sis akleli lutal may mong lo sensera ngalaki ngalaki karadil ma serax padia ngalaki sera sarudey mal lo makita ng ulen elal tutang mal malo kasi mal makita ng ora teacher Ramsey so ang ora mal diswal padong hotel te ale dalatki he was a good teacher mal mle contribute tal mora Maristela
Mal masa laktira kalmal ani ako ka niliyakal luldasyo kal girel maran ungil ada teacher Ramsey tirakal siraring single ngal kira sa ariang senior ilam mo junior malamangan mal makita le Ramsey maran le take time mga other student mal madu relate to them mang gelangal kira sa ariang mal wase mle inspiring to be a really good student talang mal mga authority ebi ko sang mal maduol mangitak le obagita arangal ka were drawn to him Sir graduate as ariang ara 8th grade hingi ma classmate tani amlot magelo usia li taklirel almora teacher Ramsey et graduation show or tira tami taklo si kama mga lagela angi raungil teacher Ramsey and mal mga seguidra sa rudel mal makita niyo say ere mami ako kire la ruba kal Dios malaringi makaorongal kamal gire mal Dios darsing irang lungo Emra lorang asulero baka regel tamil sila teacher Ramsey kuk mlara Maristela lo sis aklen kagi da Miss Gintaro aripkal adirikal nga niya ko ra memories ring
Yeah, I just
teacher
have to
Ramsey.
say something. Just like Kigu said, he was our teacher. Actually, I believe we were the first classes that he first taught because he was straight out of Hawaii when he started teaching us. So we were really fortunate. Kigu was 8th grade, Mom 7th grade. And he would always have his guitar, and he'd he'd always do the hang loose, hang loose. And one of his favorite sayings would be, "Don't worry about it, don't worry about it." And like for us, I think our class were like we were like the classes from that had the. We were fortunate to have the nuns and the old school kind of teaching,
yes.
and we were also very fortunate before we left the school to have had like wonderful teachers like Teacher Ramsey, fresh out of college, fresh out of school, that came back to Palau and came back to Maristela to contribute. And I'm sure they weren't even making much at that time, but they decided to come back and teach. And not just him, but we can still see those teachers like that now. Our Teacher Ola, Teacher Philip, Teacher Felix, Teacher Valentin, like they were the young ones, fresh, emerald, young and enthusiastic. And we were really fortunate to have had that type of education at Maristela before we graduated, and to see them still teaching to this day, and seeing how much they make, and yet the dedication, the commitment, the passion they have for teaching, it just makes us feel more at ease and content that our school is still providing wonderful people in our communities like them.
I say, man masal, hindi na normal di last tingal 8th graders sa Maristela gidil nga retreat. Tigal terul maklong ngalgia ka spiso mas ariang amle nga retreat. Spis amla na gele siya nga ramlongwi. Set class rin. Ngil teacher Ramsey sige time amla nga gel incident ra nga nga ko ramla mala ola barom mo mangkamal bagik. Mangkadi dong okal di mo gital mo total di makalimot tira malangal ko ratto that area. Yeah, last time ko gibla retreat rom gel amlo rakwa sa sige ng arbitara Betania. Nga diri kan mlarsi kumda siya sige diel mingitak le o gita maral really maralul triangal kal mo subiil mga tuturin feel close to him. But thank you for bringing that up, Miss Pearl. Mo sa edal ko na talk a little bit about Teacher Ramsey. Mga niya ko ang wata sa mok mo nga kinatiyagi del 60th anniversary kala principal.
Oo, inkora akti olngi tulasang katangel marul toy sel akpal kora look forward and mo messer tilkal classmates ma bekal badangira alumni ngania akmora pangkem sataru bakal basay kau amne senser nga high school elang yang emo senser ang lagi elang kukukara Maristela ya grandchildren ngara Maristela mong maral kora mong ilarong udon masteridar adam asigi del rengal ngoy tutrengal kalmira school kada kaso aktimal lo lingitrar bekl alumna wase motokangal mei member ko ta kaso sembo or sabe eder mon belo ase sera ko klasara o ngaram laringi ya klasar kami ngara komberul we did what we did and we are who we are today.
Okay, amen, amen. Magsige del anniversary, tegi del gala, mal more adult. Selmle family, ligagi del fundraising ergi del mlangi la carnival amlo arangal kama family. Tiar elang ako tukura mal o story gidar maklola de kale sa te alam Miss Brel.
I say, and akamiti adiro ko mo give out the details later on. Being malsuakal since I'm here at Challenge Rokul class 99 ma class matiga iga Rokul class sel time lagi mga school 2000 almaral morio mada please for the sumasa al sungo the masura school dire algo to kora enjoy together at tagi den maral melgala
Say May 12 evening about 6 to midnight 6 p.m. almo midnight ako mla otar ka Clea Avenue pasyo Yes, island paradise is el island paradise say ma kora wase el al atal bu il madrangel kora mga susirangal kara school ngay da principal ok mura kalo say bom reach out al mortirgel me classmate ngil kera marigel at tartire Mr. Talams Amerisa Tewid mamirang kale brother Steve Tewid Mapes nga marigel makaso erak mal mo Facebook or brother Steve ko sim dura mamar ka malberbela or mate tawel mlingira tiget ra mamir ka brother Steve lang Mother's Day yang may tawelable sarude abol may 14 al Sunday nga Mother's Day sige dia malungil al present al mura mamira brother Steve makmo Facebook or brother Steve ko na din ka nga significance ringi subira Mother's Day principal etial Maristela Ave Maristela can you talk a little bit about that at del kora sel do Ave Maristela kay kidel sels wayal kora symbolism malubang ulta sol behind that take del Maristela
sel kimara school el ngariang lungo aquí los meriang lungo lo se Ave Maristela ngaya mami mami la school makaldi el torco kergidringi aditara el atrangara plan el luldas mo mokla mo mkodurun kay gidel mami gidera mkasora school el ama school ma amaray مثل دورال kada dado veces dice Ave Maristela ese ya tara kimot mokringi e gora ulda sur el angem la con el parents a 8th grade mo parte tial lo kodorul ngeyid el angar omrolel malal el altaim mang wabol donation or tire presenter tin mera school say give
oh that's wonderful like a patron saint tra school
patron why say
Ave Maristela. Okay. Well, dela dil mutal through el bumorgit, so maybe we can go around the Miss Kikubrel, starting with you. Like el most memorable time or mga Maristela 1999 ebo the alubang USA from 1st grade to 8th grade ito wala ang kagidali Miss Ripka Gintaro wala principal.
Mal masawle senator ang mal patoka fond memories sa Maristela. Unfortunately, I remember the silly ones. I gineblo all ki 3rd grade classmate nga ngira armang paloy ngalgala 6 paloya. Loko ngo machik moram dala klase o machike wasesel gutunya papier tel vital di ngai ke gutto bedi eng se galo to bedi bitang. Alova of course ngo machik mangirel di otungi e kora fe yo to bedi bitang. Emle kora accidentally malul si sabi lotungil all the way in mong mlode kal todo magi panic sense tasel between sel switcher sensei maltungal mle sister anoti ya inge gidam le nexel al tu agi mla panic magi principal amermanye spido la balmora hospital molto deringi that's one and then one more also kalkor ay seringi ay gelom ngot maklela school el alta me ngar wa mayron el mal masawlalo clean school and the seragi ngaringing sa ngaringing girel di gidel clean ngaringi gel general clean up makuk temelang al class el cleaner gere mangarang magineblo all malam lalola ba queen machine ay 7th grade malam mertegi del mga song el badularal embo kauso ko lola mi queen machine ya classmate nga ngala liwong agim kayo toy rengom litial pakar oik so even today I still have a scar and gora dim la kalmring sel time like ingal ke kauso ko but ang aktire kalmal sel gumes tire kalngal el gora di omri de makarang se de ba school el bebira time akmal mo kartil wase komal lagi ngarinya mayron ma ingel tara janitor nga se kina school ya kama magi mga school lagi mal di kamamal mga tmokle mga itakomi ngora di kay kita swakal mo share.
Thank you for your memories. Ripka.
Just like Kigu, there's just too many to name. Yeah, some of the fews are playing pranks on the teachers, so teacher Philip. um, some of my favorites would be like being able to go to church as a family, a half day, right after mass. No school for everybody else. Tomorrow school and all day, mama, half day, and it's either we use it as a time to spend together our classmates, or we go home, and some of our parents actually take the day off and spend the rest of the day off with us. I'm not sure, were they called Awareness Week back then, or was it also Catholic Schools Week, where it was called Cultural Awareness Week, and we'd have all kinds of activities, talent shows, and have our classmates. I'll never forget Kiblas. She's a year ahead of Kiku, so she was 8th grade, mamamle 6th grade. Yeah. And she went out and she sang. For the first time in my life, I was like, whoa, a girl can sing like the Disney princesses live, because I believe she sang a Disney song or something. Because I was just blown away. So cultural days like talent shows, and then we'd also have I believe it's at the end of the week, our parents would have lunch with us, and I think we were only local foods, no other kinds.
I remember that.
Back then, yes. And then some parents would have to volunteer and come and teach us some certain traditional, stuff. And class of 2000 to this day will always say that they know how to fix pigi nice, which is the rice ball from Sansorol. That was taught by our wonderful Governor Laura Miles, right? Pigi nice.
Pigi nice.
Yeah, so it's a little rice ball translation. So we thought, I swear, every one of my classmates, class of 2000, that was one of the projects we had when a parent decided to come in and teach us, which was Governor Laura Miles right now.
Oh, that's wonderful.
So those are just some of the few can't even. So come on May 12th and let's share and reminisce all the good times.
Thank you. Miss Quintaro, kamo yung principal, ako kami first graduating class,
First, ko to open school.
Kami may ko to open school.
Grade 1 to 6. Ilar nga Maristela, makara public school. Yung maral, nga riyak aklol, klakaros. Aki mong school, desel kim, pula kim moreng sa tukura class. Lupa ki morod. Am lisenser ka mama aklelaan na Mitsko. Aki matamikala. Uso siyang relangal kaya ki modo orik le mga lasil sa whole period. En emle will. Dim lakal bukol. Ng swab. Discipline. Belaw. Hindi ka adal mo aki mo mukadungol hindi ka swal sa ngarele mo rikla at ngari imong classmate nga kalkulyana Bruno dir ka tiye misel ki bomda ke kim sira igang yung vibrala nga halil siyang klela mo rod mo kalbus mo rikla ya bol next day ya the mala hotel oli me abari la school magidi il se sa asimer la school go de kamoroda e kimlo madakta ya badren le tra badre bel father Rosel ang rabli badre o mesergin morod al maralme mangol dangaleng al mel all bedi ek mo e otoklil was ka damam ko wala gem e morablim e de halutun nga Maristela ending al gelamil mo mga school mang akor o meser sel time ay kaya gidelo mala mo galbus amle partra rulli den mom kodung elat ngara Maristela hindi hal sabi ala ikang mal mukul mang suadal figu ay silwasay akplon mo duras our parents sil sispa school ulwasay ngosubira school ngosubira ngalakem el balgulak mulwase kada kay ngasil mo adura ngal ka olis akaratir emdo edura ngal kalwase kamong la school masublem ko ay silwase ngalak silu bulungil takoy segiden mo madangi lisem dia ka ikil kora mo accident kora mo sensen adan mo kadi barungule iruli ak mo ngarang dia kalingia agire ruli mo rangal this agide algora discipline then and today makardi ka uklat ke didiol sa darangal keda lamol maskulir podod ngelo setemen memsu mo alamel klat mo kl memsu
Ay kita la dir kaltaraw ngil bol so other sige del kopsingera may 12 agel discipline now and then ako mamadire kon lenga agel discipline el di iuda di ngala ave may gel oltar sa ima dal mo makaikal ngalel ima de tira mga lepetolo barulet ay o mal well nga kakok my feeling silk 8th grade maldi ako besari sel feeling loko ko koraway oblabom klol adi kawya madredarak campus en sel gumda suring way sel feeling ringel ngar movie ra Titanic el wasya king of the world I say sel nga maristelak 8th grade evokto or segi dile to story upper campus ekto or segi dakmal feel like at nga kaon ra campus that's a feeling and maldi ako besari being an 8th grader back then mal class na 1979 mal a while back maktide kalol ngit mada remember in our prayers classmate nga kal sister abadre Ras Saburo Clela Elizabeth Saburo Clel Torbela Aloy lak dir kaliring so se ne pass away in Guam makmal ko malat kan ngi lagi classmate sa idel time ray mama Maristela younger sister abadre Ras ka dir kal da talat kirang luwe di ma teacher Ramsey masumang ko rati kaya ngod ako ngebol si adan malmasum alta ko mongen motel may sel ko ra motor ko klabe krokoyel al arrangements al girel ti 60th anniversary gala dinner al morning ira May 12 2018 6 p.m. al midnight at Island Paradise mo celebrate der sige ti al 60th day the 60th anniversary ra school et yang ako timorar maklol other ilang man si ilan mong enjoy ako ra kampera kay di story ra madoling itra principal ang pol
senator korak mula se morar maklolad makoramlat katirgel el class ra na 2007 8 9 el koramom da solo se kama mal adir kangal ka dia o mal direct la sun ko tilov da Maristela ka adam lai
vai say
mama direct joiner te gidel maral mil lon dibel doru ngot mokari
nalungil ko mata pa renga suli ko ngamlo sabihin may dol masum umako ka next al family hour have a blessed day and week til mo ro ko lorengas yung mal masara ti alal ko kno sabihin dal kapte ram lidyol lo giuti al family hour finally
senator ko mal ko tulungan na akma amda sura kamam amen muter kamiu erangalagi alam nai o mong banal ko ra suwadan mo kaso SRSM
tila di kamalungil la so man say the discipline now and then ma generation or generation at MSS manalungil idea like you kawe principal ang kamla grandchild great grandchild kau ngani nga Maristela lobe maldir ka rin kal great kau
ngani kinder el alta
congratulations mang principal Lorenza ya great grandchild ringi ang ara kinder Maristela el alta. That's incredible.
Esa domes ngora ang ngila tadi nga blirin mo ang kodong luasay pa mo ara kalilangal ka mo tagilangal kalmerme abay ko mo ko lewasay bumuara tigeter nga ko
malgiren Ada ko man misal ko si Manuel dili ang kale principal ang baral gire del kaukodong rokoy siblings mar kalege the mar grandchildren bol si edan more segi dial May 12 the share stories ang maral ko mo subir sa Mother's Day maral lang sa Ave Maristela kay gidi awayal al dalala school. Ada have a blessed day everyone. Ma next time ra family hour.